Do your knees hurt? Are you, like me, one of 14 million adults in the US with knee osteoarthritis? Then this short video is for you. I'm 𝙏𝙖𝙞 I'm head instructor at Chicago Tai Chi and author of Tai Chi for Knee Health, the low-impact exercise system for eliminating knee pain. At Chicago Tai Chi, we help adults move their bodies, deeply relax, and achieve vibrant health. And an important part of achieving vibrant health is learning how to care for your knees. In this video, I'll lead you through a simple exercise from my Tai Chi for Knee Health system. This exercise will help you develop a skill that provides foundation for restoring knee health and eliminating pain. What's that skill? How to maintain precise knee alignments. Why are knee alignments so important? When your knees are aligned, the forces going through your knees are balanced. When your knees are not aligned, the forces become concentrated in one part of the joint. That concentration of force leads to irritation and tissue damage. That can lead to arthritis and chronic pain. Recent research suggests that misalignment of the knee contributes to knee osteoarthritis by triggering chronic inflammation in the joint. By learning to maintain precise knee alignments, we create a healing environment in and around the knee, reducing inflammation, allowing damaged tissue to heal, and eliminating pain. That's how it works. If you're new here, make sure to click the subscribe button below and check the video description for links to more resources. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments and questions below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Now to our exercise. In my Tai Chi for Knee Health system, you learn to establish and maintain what I call the two fundamental knee alignments. The two fundamental knee alignments are knee over the foot, not collapsed in, not collapsed out, kneecap aligned with toes, not twisted in, not twisted out. The simple exercise we'll do here focuses on fundamental knee alignment number one, knee over the foot. The exercise is called the weight shift. To begin, let's take a stance. So take a foot, put it forward, adjust your stance for stability and comfort, then shift some weight forward. Now, depending on what you have going on in your knees, weight shifting all your weight or a substantial amount of weight could cause some discomfort. So you want to find an amount of weight shift in this exercise that does not cause discomfort, that does not cause any pain. So first you shift weight forward, and then you smoothly shift weight to the back leg. Shift weight forward, shift weight back. As you shift weight, feel your knees. Are they staying more or less over your feet? If so, you're maintaining fundamental knee alignment number one. But watch my knees. Often people, their knees will collapse in or out as I begin to shift weight, and you can see my knees are not consistently over my feet. You want to feel for that, and then slow down, adjust, and feel what you need to do in your body to keep those knees more or less over your feet. It can help initially to look in a mirror. Eventually, you want to do this by feel. Shifting weight forward, feel that knee over the foot. Shift weight back, feel that knee over the foot. Repeat. Feeling for any tendency of the knee to collapse in or out, and if so, correct. Position it over the foot. Let's switch legs. Adjust your stance for stability and comfort. Shift weight back. Then shift weight forward. Feel your knees. Maintain the knee alignment over your foot. Feel for any tendency to collapse in or out as you shift weight. Slow down and feel what you need to do to get that knee over the foot. For example, my front knee is collapsing in a little bit, so I lightly engage the muscles on the inside of the thigh to stabilize it over the foot. This is a fundamental component of the movement set that I teach in my Tai Chi for Knee Health system. There you go, the weight shift. The weight shift is a simple exercise, I know, but by developing your skill at maintaining knee alignments in this exercise, that will soon transfer to other movements, like getting out of a chair, walking, climbing stairs, activities of daily living that often cause knee pain. By developing your skill at maintaining fundamental knee alignment number one, you'll create a healing environment in and around your knees. putting you on the path to restoring knee health and eliminating pain.